Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll talk about the top reasons why your dishwasher may stop in the middle of a cycle. We'll show you the most common components that may cause this and how to access them and to test them. Now, the most common cause for a dishwasher to stop mid-cycle would be related to the door latch assembly. The door latch is used to hold the door closed during the cycle to keep water from leaking, and it also contains one or two switches that supply power to the controls. If the door becomes loose during the cycle, the switches may deactivate and turn off power to the individual components. Now, the second most common reason why your dishwasher may stop in the middle of a cycle could be related to the door catch. Door catch is used in conjunction with the door latch assembly to hold that door closed. Now, to check the latch, you physically look at it, make sure that it is firm and is attached securely to the tub. Some models, they are adjustable. You would need to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinets far enough to access the mounting screws. Make sure they're secure. If it's adjustable, you want to check to make sure that it is adjusted properly so that the door is held securely. Now, the third most common cause for a dishwasher to stop mid-cycle could be related to the control board. First of all, verify that the latch assembly is working properly, that the door catch is secure, and that all associated wiring between the door latch assembly and the control board is in good shape. You can then suspect that your control board may be at fault. It will need to be replaced. Need help with anything else around your home? Search our channel for thousands of helpful videos that will walk you through your home repairs. For more information or the parts needed for these repairs, don't forget to check out partselect.com. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.